This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix slow Google Chrome browser on your computer. So if you're having issues with your browser, maybe it takes ages to load or to open a file, and this is common across all the websites or all the sites that you visit, then you have to go ahead and fix issues that are slowing your browser down. Now to do this, I'm going to show you 3 settings or 3 methods you can use to fix and get a light and faster Google Chrome browser. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first method is to go ahead and tap on these 3 dots and then look for the option called history and tap on it. And from here, tap again on history. You can see we have a lot of data under our history, and these are files that have been stored on our browser. So one of the reasons why your browser is slowing down is because of these files, and what we need to do is to go ahead and delete all of them. So if you go ahead and delete one by one, you might take ages to complete all these, but there is a way we can use to delete all of them all at once. So if you come here on the left hand side, you can see we have an option called delete browsing data. Tap on it and then it will bring us to this page. From here, go ahead and tap on browser history, cookies and cached files. Select all of them, and if you go to advanced, we can also do the same here. You can choose to store sensitive information such as your passwords, but the others select all of them. And from here, go ahead and select the time under which you want to clear all this data. You can clear for the last 24 hours, last hour, or even all the time. So if you click on this, it means it will empty everything. Now once you have done, go ahead and tap on delete data, and this will go ahead and delete all the stored history on your computer. And as you can see, we had quite a number of them, and now we are done. That has been completed. So that has cleaned up our computer, and you can see now we have a fresh new Google Chrome, but it has retained our bookmarks. They were not deleted. Great. Now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and check on our extensions. One of the reasons why your browser is slowing down is because of many extensions that are overloading your browser, and some of them maybe are dormant. So one of the reasons why you might be having issues with your browser is because of too many extensions that are running in the background. So if I go again to these 3 dots and then tap on settings and then tap on extension, and you can see manage extension here, tap on it, you will see a list of all extensions that you have on your Google Chrome browser. So if there are any extensions that you are not using that are here, go ahead and remove them by just tapping on remove, confirm, and do this for each and every one of them to remove all of them. But if you want to keep some of these extensions and not delete them, you can as well just go ahead and deactivate them. They will still remain on your browser, but they will be inactive and therefore they will not run in the background. So that is the second method you can use to fix issues with your Google browser. Now the third and the last method is to restore our Google Chrome browser to its default settings. So if you go again and tap on this, and then go to settings, under search function here, type restore settings to their original default. If you tap on it, we have an option here to restore our Google Chrome browser, and this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will also disable extensions, and it will also delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, all your bookmarks, history and saved passwords will remain intact. So go ahead and tap on reset settings, and this will go ahead and reset your browser to a fresh new start. And now after this, begin to browse, and now you'll realize that your Chrome browser is much faster when you use it. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.